Imagine creating a new plant from just one single leaf. No, it's not magic, it's nature's secret, and today you're going to discover how it works. Yes, all it takes is one leaf and a little patience, and soon you'll have a brand new plant sprouting right before your eyes. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you exactly how you can turn that one leaf into an entire plant. To propagate pothos from just one leaf, all you need is a healthy leaf with a bit of the petiole and a node attached to it. Plant it in soil or place it in water, and within weeks you'll see roots developing, ready to support a new thriving plant. Next on the list is the Philodendron, another plant with a superpower. Just like the pothos, grab a leaf with a short stalk, pop it into water or soil, and wait for those magical roots to emerge. Now, what about a plant that takes a little more patience? Enter the jade plant. It may take its time, but when you take a healthy leaf and let it dry for 5 to 6 days, and then plant it in the soil, magic will happen. But remember, it's worth the wait. You'll have a thriving jade in no time. Up next, the rubber plant. You can either place a leaf in water or directly in well-draining soil. Roots will soon start to form, and you'll have a whole new rubber plant on your hands. Simple, right? Want to see how fast the wandering Jew can grow? Well, it's super easy. Just snip a leaf with a node, place it in moist soil or water, and watch it spring into action. African violet and snake plants are two more champions that can grow from just one leaf. With the African violet, simply take a healthy leaf and plant it in soil perlite mix. For the snake plant, cut a mature leaf, make a V-shaped cut at the bottom, and plant it in well-draining succulent mix. Peperomia and the heart-shaped Hoya. How about growing a tiny love plant at your desk? Just take a leaf with a bit of the petiole, plant it, and enjoy the beauty. Kalanchoe is a succulent that can be easily propagated from a single leaf. Gently pluck a healthy leaf from the plant, allow it to dry out for a day or two to form a callus, then place it on the surface of well-draining succulent soil. The ZZ plant is a low-maintenance houseplant that can grow from a single leaf cutting. Cut a leaf with a small portion of the petiole, let it dry for a day, and then plant it in well-draining potting mix. Though this process takes time, patience will reward you with new shoots. This fuzzy leaf panda plant can be propagated easily by removing a leaf and allowing it to dry for a day or two. Once calloused, place the leaf on moist cactus or succulent soil. After a few weeks, small roots will form, and you'll start to see new baby plants emerging from the base of the leaf. This popular Chinese money plant can also be propagated from a leaf cutting. Take a healthy leaf with a bit of the petiole still attached and plant it in moist potting soil or water. It'll root in a few weeks, and soon you'll see tiny baby Chinese money plants popping up. Echeveria, known for its rosette shape, can easily be propagated from a single leaf. Remove a healthy leaf, allow it to dry for a day or two, and place it on well-draining succulent soil. Tiny roots and baby plants will form at the base of the leaf after a few weeks. This trailing succulent burro's tail can be propagated by plucking off one of its small fleshy leaves. After allowing the leaf to callus for a day or two, place it on top of moist succulent soil. Roots and baby plants will soon form at the base of the leaf. The delicate-looking oxalis or shamrock plant can also be propagated from a single leaf. Take a leaf with its petiole and place it in water or moist soil. Roots will form within a few weeks, giving you a new oxalis plant. Haworthia, another succulent, can be propagated by removing a healthy leaf and letting it dry for a day. After it's calloused, place the leaf in moist cactus soil. In a few weeks, new roots will appear and you'll have a baby Haworthia plant ready to thrive. So whether you want a new pothos, a succulent, or a snake plant, you now know the secret of growing a new plant from just one leaf. Isn't that incredible? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for more plant magic right here. Until next time, happy propagating!